Hey guys, welcome back. We are on Avery Creek Road. I'm heading towards Club Gap because I'm going to climb that, and then we're going to go do Buckwheat Knob. I have not done that one before, but from what I've seen in other videos, it really looks like it's great. So let's get to climbing, which oddly enough, last time I made a video and I didn't climb, but instead I pushed, I got a lot of shit for that. Particularly in Reddit, guys are brutal. I haven't been to this part of Pisgah since last June when I did the Black Mountain video. That was a lot of fun. I made the mistake of climbing Avery. I will tell you this, don't do that. It's a waste of energy. It's not even a fun climb. Is that it? All the climbing? That would be surprising. I was expecting a lot more. Super short.
Of course, it turns out that was not all the climb. Club Gap has its fair share of challenge, but it's definitely doable. By Pisgah standards, it's on the easier side of climbs. Buckwheat is a short but sweet trail. It's commonly used to access Bennett Gap. Buckwheat is in some ways the light version of Bennett. It's easier in general, but still has challenging spots with steep terrain and rooty drops. The main difference is you won't find as many rocky sections.
I saw this and I thought it meant no bicycles. Like, what the hell am I doing wrong now? It's just no e-bikes. What do you think about e-bikes? I know it's such a controversial topic, and I don't know, I see so many good and bad things in them that I think I'm like more of a let everybody do what they want to do thing, but I get the downsides as well. You know, for a general person, I think it may be a little bit of laziness, but if you think of someone who has some kind of condition, I think e-bikes are great. You know, it gets people out here enjoying the sport that they probably couldn't do without that. So, not all is bad. I spoke too soon about being done with the climb. There we go. It's the intersection. So if you keep on going straight, it's Avery Creek, which I will do one time, not today. If you go that way, it's Upper Black Mountain. That's a great trail, but it's a sufferfest. And this way is Buckwheat. It's hard to describe just how beautiful it is right here. I'm on top of the ridge and I got valleys on both sides. And of course the GoPro will never fully... almost crashed because I was trying to show you. The GoPro will never fully capture it, but it's just so spectacular. Well, I think this is it. Let's do some riding. Woo! Hell yeah, this is great. I could bunny hop that. Could have gone through the middle. Those mental barriers. Ooh, nice and steep. Nice. Quite challenging. Was not expecting it to be this tough. Yeah. This is a great trail. Oh, shit. That looks killer. Ah, wrong line. It was this way. These are some big steps. So hard to get restarted when you're stuck in those. This is a steep trail. I did not expect this at all.
One of the nicest parts of this trail is that it follows a ridge almost throughout its duration, making the views great, especially when leaves are not present.
Nice.
The level of difficulty is great to get you working, but it's not enough to make most riders uncomfortable. Aside from one rocky spot, most sections are 1 to 3 foot drops that get easier with speed. And speed is definitely the main theme towards the end of the trail.
Some good speed. There we go. Oh, that was great. That was a challenging trail. Much more challenging than I was expecting, sorry. Well, this is Bennett Gap. And this is actually going to be next week's video. I'm obviously going to jump into here right now and keep on going. It's really common to link these two together, but I actually want to give Buckwheat Knob its own video so we can get a good look at it. Well guys, I hope you had fun with this one. I will see you for the next one. And happy riding in Bennett Gap next week.